glow up collab. All the links for the girls will be in the description, and let's just get into how I got this look from bad to good. Now that I've done my hair the best I can do, I put this hairband in. I'm gonna go on to my makeup. I'm gonna show you what I'm using first, and then we're gonna go into the makeup. So the two palettes I'm using is this one. This was a Christmas palette from last year from Too Faced. It comes with a roof as well and a door, but the door's like proper glitter, like you can't get it off, and can't find the door. It is somewhere in my room. This one looks like this. It's so cute. And then just to like make it not just pink, got this palette as well. And I'm pretty sure I got this for my birthday 2 years ago, or Christmas 2 years ago. And then I've got this. Looks like that. My typical mascara. And then that. And just a bit of this for the inner corners of my eyes. And then the lipstick. So as you can see, I'm just going for a glitter, very glittery look, but a bit of natural. So the first thing we're going to do is powder my face. I always use this brush for my powder, as you can see. That's that done. Now on to the blusher. Again, I always use this brush for my blusher. Now we're going to use highlight. I always use this brush. I've explained it in a video you probably would have seen already. Can't remember when I put that one up or when it's going up. Because while I'm filming this, we're in the first week of December, but when this goes up, I'm in, you and me, or whatever, we're in the second week. But right now we're in the first week of December. Don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. Now on to the bit you all probably will be waiting for, is my eyeshadow. So I'm going to just time lapse it and then show you what ones I'm using. I don't know what actual eyeshadow look I'm going for. I just know it's going to be very glittery. So I'm going to do a little time lapse. Just want to say, I know it's really dark right now, and in the time lapse it will be as well. But this is the only way I can get my eyeshadow to look okay and not just look like I've got a light on my face. But yeah. So now I'm going to put this back onto my crease and make a cut crease, and then I'm going to mix the pink glitter, that one, and that light pink glitter together. I'm going to put the first light pink glitter on and then just a touch of the like dark pink glitter. So let's do it. You are mine. this is it. That eye is just messing up today, so I'm adding that eye. But now I'm going to go on to the glitter eyeshadow. Now we're on to the liquid kind of eyeshadow in the corner of my eye. I forgot to press record on that bit, but I have done it. Now on to the mascara, and then the final bit is the lipstick. So now I'm doing this lipstick. This is what it looks like. I know this video may not be that long, or I say that most of the time and it is long, but I feel like, I don't know if it's because I film quick, but I feel like it's really short, but then I edit it and it's not. So we will find out. But that is the lipstick, and let me go and show you the final makeup look, and then we'll get into the outfit. So this is the final makeup look. It's not as great because, like I said, that eye is playing up, but I hope you liked the makeup look. Now let's get into the outfit. So this is the outfit. The main thing is the coat. I feel like in winter, whether you like fluffy coats or not, or teddy bear coats, same thing, I just think everyone should have one. This one is quite thick compared to my other one, like chunky, because it's got like that much. But I've just paired it with this long sleeve kind of polo neck, long sleeve top. Looks like that. And then with these new leggings, kind of, they've got this print, you should be able to see it. And yeah, I quite like this look. And of course I would pair it with some nice boots that I've got, like got black ones with like a little grey fluffy bit around it. You would have seen it before if you follow my Instagram. But that is the final look. Let's get into the outro. Did you like it? Did you like it? Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like it if you did. Comment down below. And if you're new here, hit subscribe. Do everything that you can to get this video out there. Also remember, this is a collab, so all the links will be down in the description for all the other girls. Bye!